Hey guys, in this video I am going to tell you about how you can install Burp and configure Burp on your computer. So without further ado, let's get started. First you have to download Burp from the official website. I have given the link in the description below, you can check it out from there. So I have downloaded the community edition because it is free of cost and it's better for beginners, those who are scanning websites vulnerability for the first time. It's better for them, though this has certain limitations, but it is good. So if you don't know what is Burp is a graphical tool for testing web application security. This tool is written in Java and developed by Portsvigger Web Security. So open your favorite browser to configure Burp. In my case, I have opened Mozilla Firefox. Then go to options, and go to privacy and security and scroll down. Make sure that you have done the security settings. Certificates: when a server requests your personal certificate, asks you every time, and query OCSP responder servers to confirm the validity of certificates. Tick this mark, check this mark to import certificate. It will be necessary for Burp. So before installing Burp, make sure that you have JDK installed on your computer, because if JDK is not installed in your computer, the Burp will not work properly. So I have made a separate video for that, for downloading JDK or Java development kit. If you have not seen that video, please see it first. I have given the link in the description below, you can check it out from there. So JDK is a must software for Burp. So now go to general and scroll down. Now network settings, go to settings, and you have to in default settings it is no proxies written there. No proxy is marked there. You have to change it to manual proxy configurations. Make sure that the HTTP proxy is 127.0.01 and the port should be 8080, and click on this. Use this proxy server for all protocols. This will allow you to use Burp in the browser. So click on OK, save the changes and close the tab. Now after downloading Burp, you can install Burp like any other software. I have downloaded the community edition of Burp as it is free of cost. So it's loading. After you open Burp, you will get to see somewhat like this. Click on next, click on temporary object first, and then click on next. Then use Burp defaults. If you have existing operations, the existing files, then you can load for configuration file, but don't use that. Use Burp defaults. Start Burp. It will take some time. After opening the Burp, you can see something like this. Then click on proxy, and interceptor is on. As you can see, interceptor is on. Then click on. So after you install Burp, you cannot open HTTP sites on your browser. It is because of the problem of CA certificates. I have already imported the CA certificates, that's why it will open http google.com. So you have to keep forwarding to get the request. So for downloading the CA certificate, you have to click on http Burp, then hit enter. Then click here to download the CA certificate. Remember, after installing the Burp only you will be able to access this website, otherwise it will say this website does not exist. So after installing the CA certificate, you can use the Burp now. You can open HTTP sites on the Burp configured browser. Now click on intercept is off. Now then in my next video I will tell you about all the tabs present in Burp. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for my next video. Please like and share this video and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it yet.